solid surface contact. Nokian's extensive line of winter tires include the new Hakka R and Hakka R SUV, the All-Weather Plus WRG2 and the WRG2 SUV, and the studdable Hakka 5 and the Hakka 5 SUV, along with a select group of winter SUV and light truck tires, plus cargo and van products to meet commercial vehicle requirements. Nokian Tyres is on the front line of safety and environmental issues. For over 70 years, we have developed, tested, and patented solutions that enhance safety in driving. Pump siping. The patented siping on the Hakka R and the Hakka R SUV improves tire grip on wet ice. The pocket-light sipes on the tire's tread blocks remove water from the road surface and provide firmer contact. Driving safety indicator. The row of numbers on the tread of all of our tires makes it easy to check the extent of the remaining tread in millimeters. Polished grooves. On the WRG2 and the WRG2 SUV, snow, slush, and water flow efficiently off the polished grooves under the tire. No matter what the driving conditions, now you can forget the forecast. Canola silica compound. Using a canola silica compound in the tread of our WRG2s and Hakka R's improves the tire's tear resistance and wet grip and reduces rolling resistance without compromising the tire's winter properties. Naturally Nokian Tyres. Nokian Tyres was the world's first tire manufacturer to switch over to using purified, low aromatic oils throughout its production. Low rolling resistance. The more easily a tire rolls, the less fuel it consumes and fewer CO2 emissions it generates. A 40% decrease in rolling resistance transforms into approximately 6% improvement in fuel consumption, which is immediately felt in your pocketbook. Nokian Tyres Hakka 5. The state-of-the-art Nokian Hakka 5 is uniquely designed to handle winter's harshest conditions. This studded winter tire takes grip and stability to an advanced level. Features include an innovative square stud design, bear claw stud support system, and new quattro tread construction. All this positions the Hakka 5 as the industry leader in winter tire safety.
Excellent. There's a lot of traction, especially laterally. I wasn't going all that fast through the cones, and I mean through the cones. But it was good.
We handle brilliantly. I just think they are, obviously the top of the market.
The biggest thing, I'm driving down here coming right at the four of you, and how you figure in your heart, is this thing going to stop or I'm going to hit those people? And it stops and moves just like on a dime.
Very good lateral stability. I find that you have way better lateral. Like when you start to lose it, you have quicker time to respond to it. Like you can just pull it out of the lateral. You lose lateral stability, you can quickly gain it back.
Pretty fast. It was fun.
The grip was awesome. It was incredible.
It actually feels something different, but I guess.
The tires work perfect, just like it's supposed to.
Excellent, very good. The lateral stability, I enjoyed it. Very, very good. Very good response. You start losing it a little bit, it grabs right away, so it's not bad at all.
I'm running with Nokian new WR G2 tire, and we're trying to, we are going to make a lateral grip test on this curve.
Temperature is 13.5 minus Celsius, and grip is so huge that even if I try 60 kilometers per hour in this curve, it's not sliding. You can control car all the time.
The response, unbelievable. The braking, you really feel like there's no way you're going to stop in time, and you have complete control throughout the whole maneuver.
Just the handling capabilities under the severe weather conditions, that was just totally amazing. It was just, you could feel the car just gripping and holding itself. It was really, really impressive.
These have got to be the best that I've ever driven on, by far.
Nokian winter tires not only test lateral stability, slush planing, and braking, but driving at super accelerated speeds as well. Such was our test, setting a new world speed record for driving on ice. 321 kilometers or 200 miles per hour, using Nokian Tyres studded Hakkapeliitta 5 and powered by a Bentley Continental GT, driven by a World Rally driving champion.